I am cooking lunch. Stay at the table, please.
Okay, Mom. It smells good. I am so hungry.
I will get the plates. Wait here.
Look, Leo, the pan. There is fire. Oh, no. The pan is on fire. I will throw water on it.
No, Ruby, stop. Never put water on a kitchen fire.
Why not? Why not? Tano.
Water makes the fire bigger. It is very dangerous.
Mom! Mom! Come quickly! Fire!
I am coming. Stand back, children. Stay away. Do not use water. First, I turn off the heat. Now I put a big lid on the pan. No air, no fire.
Look, the fire is going out.
Yes, the lid stops the fire. Well done for calling me.
I am sorry. I wanted to help.
It is okay, Ruby. Now you know the rule. Rule 1. Never put water on a kitchen fire.
Rule 2. Shout for an adult. Get help fast.
Rule 3. Turn off the heat. Cover the pan with a lid.
Stay safe in the kitchen.
Come, put on your shoes. We must cross the road to the park.
We must cross the big road.
Hold my hand.
The cars are so fast.
I am a little scared, Dad.
Do not worry. We will cross safely. Come to the crossing.
What are these white lines?
This is the crossing. We only cross here.
Can we walk now?
Not yet. Look at the light. What do you see?
I see a red man. He is standing still.
Red man means stop. We wait on the path.
I am waiting. I am waiting.
Good girl. Now look. The man is green.
Green man means go.
Yes. But first, we look. Look left.
Left,
Look right.
right, right.
Look left again.
Left again. All the cars are stopped.
Good. Now we walk. We do not run. Hold my hand.
We are walking safely on the crossing.
Well done. We crossed the road.
Rule 1. Only cross at the crossing.
Rule 2.
Wait for the green man.
Rule 3.
Look left, look right, look left again. And always hold an adult's hand.
Now, let's have fun. The lake is this way.
I love the lake. Look at my toy boat.
Play here, on the grass. Do not go near the water.
Okay, Mom. No. Oh, no. The wind. My boat is on the water. My boat. Come back. I can get it. I will go in the water.
No, Leo. Stop. Never go in the water for a toy.
But Ruby is sad.
A toy is not important. You are important. We do not go in. We reach or we throw.
I can use this long stick. I will reach the boat.
Good thinking, Leo. Reach slowly. Do not fall.
I have it. I got the boat. Thank you, Leo. You are clever.
Well done. You called me and you used your head.
I did not go in the water.
That is right. Water can be very dangerous. Rule 1. Never go in the water for a toy.
Rule 2. Reach or throw. Do not go.
Rule 3. Always call an adult.
And walk. Do not run near the water.
You are so brave and smart today, children.
We learned to stay safe.
At the market, in the kitchen, on the road,
and at the lake.
What safety rule do you know? Tell us.
Bye-bye. See you next time.
Click subscribe for more slow English stories. Leo?
Leo, where are you?
Leo!
Please answer me.
Where is my brother?
He was right here. Oh no.
Today we go to the big market.
We need apples, bread, and fish.
I love the market. It is so big.
Look at all the people. It is very busy. Stay close to me. Hold my hand.
Okay, Mom. I will hold your hand.
Good boy. Do not walk away alone.
Wow. Look, a little puppy. I want to see the puppy. Just one look. I will be quick. Mom will not see. Okay, I saw the puppy. Now. Mom? Mom? Dad? Where are you? I cannot see them. There are too many people. I am scared. I want my mom. Wait, I know the rule. Stop. Do not run. Stay in one place. Find a safe helper. A shopkeeper can help me. Or a mom with children. Excuse me, I am lost. Can you help me, please?
Oh, sweetheart, of course. Do not worry.
Do not worry.
Huh? What is your name?
My name is Leo.
Good boy, Leo.
Stay here. You are safe now.
Attention, please.
A little boy, Leo, is looking for his family.
Leo!
There you are.
We found you.
Leo, I was so scared. Mom,
Dad.
I am sorry. I let go of your hand. It is okay. You stopped. You stayed in one place.
And you found a safe helper.
We are proud of you.
Thank you, Mrs. Green.
He is a smart, brave boy.
Rule 1. Stay close. Always hold hands. Rule 2. If you are lost, stop. Do not run.
Rule 3. Stay in one place. Find a safe helper.
And know your name. Say it clearly.
Come home now. I will make lunch.